Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can unblock someone on Words with Friends. If you want to unblock one of your friends from your block list so that you can start enjoying the game again, the first thing to do is to open up your Words with Friends application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner. From your profile section, tap on the settings icon at the top right, and from the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you find the Manage Block List button and tap on it. After you open up the Manage Block List option, go ahead and tap on Unblock. Now, in the drop-down menu, select the user you'd like to unblock and click on Unblock User. Soon after you do that, the contact has been unblocked. The person will be able to send you game invites, messages, and interact with you in the game once they have been unblocked. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials from Words with Friends. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.